Are you currently a real estate investor that runs your own business, but when tax time comes around, you dread it? Are you someone that because you're wearing so many different hats in your business, that keeping track of your income and expenses and all those transactions become a hassle? Don't feel bad, because I was just like you until I found one feature that Resimply offers that helped me tremendously. My name is Ty Franklin and welcome to Resimply's YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be talking to you about one thing that's very key that a lot of people kind of look over when it comes to their real estate business, and that is their financials and bookkeeping. Now, a quick little personal story about me and my business. It was one year, a couple years ago, in which I was doing a lot of flips and renovations and remodels, and I was very unorganized when it came to tax time. I had to go back a year and a half looking through all my transactions to try to match it up with a particular property so I can give it over to my accountant so she can do my taxes. Now, that took a lot of time out of my day because I had to go backwards and look through all of these transactions through all of my different bank accounts. Now, that was a real headache because I didn't have the systems in place to manage those transactions during those times, but also because I was wearing so many different hats. That's one of the hats that I did not want to wear, the accounting hat. I'm pretty sure some of you guys have either dealt with this, currently dealing with this, or probably feel the same way. And that is when I started to see the value of Resimply. One of the features that they offer within the CRM is a financials area. In this financials area, you're able to manage all of your finances from your real estate business. You can track your income and your expenses, do your own bookkeeping essentially without the use of QuickBooks or any third-party software. And you can also review specific documents that your accountant or your CPA may utilize, such as your income statements, your balance sheets, general ledgers, and more documents like that. It also makes it easier for you to file your taxes every year with your accountant by having all of your documents prepared. Now, here's a good one for you. You're able to easily link all of your business bank accounts to the platform so you can easily categorize each transaction. You're able to map every transaction according to that particular property or category. So for example, if you're doing fix and flips and you're working on a property and you have expenses such as materials, labor costs, materials from Home Depot, materials from Amazon, or whatever the case may be, you're able to categorize those transactions to that particular property. Or if you had other expenses like earnest money deposits or whatever the case may be, you're able to categorize those expenses and the income as well with that particular property, so it allows you to stay organized and you know exactly what income and what expenses belong to which particular property, which ultimately helps aid you when it's time to do your taxes. And by having all of this, there's no need for QuickBooks or any third-party platform to do your bookkeeping. You can really do your own bookkeeping yourself by linking your business bank accounts or linking your accounts to the platform and just categorizing those transactions, and you'll have your bookkeeping done. So by doing your own bookkeeping yourself within the platform, it'll ultimately save you money by not having to hire that service out. Let me show you quickly within the platform on what this looks like. All right, guys, this is going to be a quick overview of the financials and accounting area, the bookkeeping and all that stuff we just talked about. So once you log into your dashboard, go over here to financials, and you have a couple tabs here. You got banking, vendors, properties, account tags, reports. So let's start with banking. So the banking area, this is where you will link your business bank accounts or any of your accounts. You can put a test account in here if you don't want to link your actual account, but it's probably a lot better for you to link your account so you can easily categorize those transactions without having to manually do it. If you do a test account, then you'll have to manually do those transactions, but you just add your account and then you kind of go from there, inputting the information. But yeah, you'll see all the accounts here. You map those accounts and you're able to see what's going on within the business, income, expenses, etc. You go over to vendors. You can add all your vendors there that are contributing to the business, whether they're their expenses, this income. You could be title companies, your marketing, if you're buying materials from Home Depot, wherever your income and expenses, everything that needs to be tracked, it should be here listed in the vendors to make it a whole lot easier for you to categorize those transactions. If you want to add new vendors, go to add new over here. If you want to filter them, you can filter it up top. Then you have properties. Properties is going to show the properties, and then it's also going to you can click on those properties and see what expenses and etc. went into those particular properties. Then you have account tags. You just go ahead and create the account tag for whatever the expense might be or whatever the income might be. Create those tags to make it a lot easier. And then the last thing is the reports tab. You got your income statement report. You have a general ledger, balance sheet, journal entries. You have also month-wise income, property-wise income, vendor-wise income statements. So you can download those reports. You can view those reports as well. Just look at a balance sheet. It's like a normal balance sheet that your CPA will show you if they were doing your bookkeeping. So this thing just makes it a whole lot easier, save some money. You can do your own bookkeeping yourself, manage your transactions, see what your business is doing. And yeah, hope that is helpful. Showed you a little insight on the financials and the bookkeeping side of things within Resimpli. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And yeah, we'll hope to see you in the next video. Thanks.